Is this a recovery point? Absolutely, absolutely, never, ever. Did I say never? Please remind me. But never, ever, ever use this as a recovery point. This is a tow ball. It's not a recovery hook. This thing is designed like this so that it can actually break off if your caravan or your trailer rolls, so it doesn't take your vehicle with you. Short story, I'll share a lot of stories with you today. Most of them aren't nice. Many years ago, at some off-road challenge day competition something, a old Hilux bakkie got stuck in a mud pit. Another guy came, so the vehicle was quite low down. Another guy came, and before anybody could stop him, the snatch rod was already attached to that Hilux front end. Before anybody could stop him, the guy climbed out, he hooked it over this ball, and off he went. This ball broke off. It hit the bonnet, through the windscreen, it hit the roof, out the rear window, and then hit the tailgate that it stood like this. There were 4 guys in that car. Nobody was hit. But just imagine it did hit somebody.
No, it's like a bullet.
Yeah, it's a bullet. Yeah. This is not a recovery point, please. But you've got a problem. So how can we solve or address or make a plan in his case? He's got no recovery point. So please don't get stuck today.
Super soft circle.
Around the whole tow ball.
Yeah.
So I can either do something that I can fit around here.
Yeah.
Okay. Definitely potentially going to damage this. If I maybe on this side here, plastic. So something is going to give way. Something is unfortunately going to have to pay the price. Or you can replace this with what is called a drop pin. Like the old trucks has got this. So it looks like a claw. It stands like this and it's got a pin that goes through it. So you take the, you've got one on. We'll have a look when you get to Uwe's car. You take the pin out, put your whatever in and the pin in. But remember, this thing is 3.5 tons rated. So it means that is for gentle recovery. A little bit at a time. Okay, so that is short-term solution. Obviously, real-time solution would be to have at a reputable company to have a recovery point fitted.